Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, let's discuss about operator precedence and associativity in Python. Before going to this video, in my previous video, I have explained what are the operators in Python. So if you didn't see that video, I will give you a link for that video in the description. So let's start the video. Operator precedence. What is the use of this operator precedence means? When we are dealing with operators in Python, we have to know this concept of operator precedence and associativity, because they determine the priorities of the operators, like which operators should be given priority while evaluating an expression. So we have to make sure that we should know this operator precedence. If we didn't follow this operator precedence, we will get some unexpected output. So let's start. First priority will be given to this parenthesis operator. So for this parenthesis, we are gonna give higher precedence, and the next precedence is exponent, and similarly the next precedence is for this plus, minus, and bitwise not operators, and the next precedence is for multiplication, division, modulo division, and floor division, and the next one is addition and subtraction, and the next precedence is for bitwise shift operators like left shift and right shift operators, and bitwise and bitwise XOR, bitwise OR, and the next precedence is for comparison operators like less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and the next precedence is for equality operators, equal to and not equal to, and the next is for assignment operators, and the next for identity and membership and logical and not, like logical operators. So this is the precedence for operators. This is from top to bottom, right? The top one have higher precedence and the bottom one have least precedence, and I have already explained of all these things, like what are all operators does. So let's understand this operator precedence with an example. Here you can see x is equal to 5 into 7 plus 2. So here from this operator precedence table, we can check that first the precedence is given for, priority is given for this multiplication operator, and the next priority is given for addition and subtraction. So x is equal to 5 into 7 plus 2. In this expression, first 5 into 7 will be evaluated and it will be added to plus 2, and second preference is given to plus. So let's check, let's run this. You can see 37. It means first it is 5 into 7 is calculated, and next this plus 2 is added to that. So that's this precedence. And let's see another example. Y is equal to 3 into 2 plus 5 minus 1, right? So similarly in this, first the preference is given to this parenthesis operator. So what's there in this parenthesis? 5 minus 1, right? So first it will be evaluated, and next preference is given to this multiplication operator, and next we are gonna add this and this. So and next preference is given to this plus operator. So let's run this and see the output. You can see first the 5 this parenthesis, the value inside the expression inside parenthesis is calculated. It means 5 minus 1, it is 4, and the next it is this multiplication operator, it's given to this preference. So 3 into 2 is 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So that's the output. So I hope you got what is operator precedence and what precedence is followed in Python. And the main important thing that you have to remember is this is the default precedence, means like what they have written code, right? And I have already explained you parenthesis as higher precedence. So if you want to change, this default precedence, you can use parenthesis to change the default precedence. So from the same example you can understand, generally when compared to the subtraction operator, multiplication operator is given precedence, higher precedence, but here first the subtraction operation is performed first due to this parenthesis. So using this parenthesis we can change the default precedence. So that's about operator precedence. And next thing is associativity. Like if any expression contains two or more operators with the same precedence, right, then operator associativity is used to find, like, evaluate the expression. Let's understand with this with an example. Here in this table you can see there are you can see this multiplication, division, floor division, this modular division and floor division, like they all have same precedence, right? If all these operators come in single expression, the associativity will be followed to evaluate that expression. So associativity is of two types, like that is left to right associativity and right to left associativity. And most of the operators follow left to right associativity, and only few will follow right to left. So let's understand this associativity with examples. So if you check this expression 8 divided by 4 into 2, since both this multiplication operator and division operator have same precedence, it follows left to right associativity. It means first, like, it starts from here left and it starts to evaluate the expression. So first it finds 8 divided by 4, it means 2. Then it finds 2 into 2, so it's 4. So that's the output. That's the left to right associativity. Let's understand this left to right with another example. So we can see this addition and subtraction both have same precedence, so it follows left to right associativity. It means first 3 plus 5 is calculated, then that will be subtracted with 1. So you can see that's 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So that's about this left to right associativity. And right to left associativity, you can see here this exponent operator. So for this we can follow right to left associativity. It means first this 3 power 2 will be calculated, then 2 power this output will be calculated. So let's see let's run this. So you can see first 3 power, like 3 square, it means 9, and then this operator will be given highest precedence, that is 2 power, this 3 square is 9, right, 2 power 9, it means 512. So for this exponent operator we have right to left associativity. I have just explained with few examples. There are, and similarly for all these operators. So that's about this short video on operator precedence and associativity in Python. I hope you understood the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and feel free to share your opinion in comment section. So thanks for watching.